everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and it's 2-page Tuesday again. So I have these 5 photographs and I'm going to use a layout that you see me use a lot, and that is I'm going to take a background paper and then I'm going to mount the photos on a contrasting paper and do them kind of all in a line. I have 3 obviously portraits and 1 horizontal photo, and I really thought I needed 2 pages for this, otherwise it would have been really impossibly crowded and hard to figure out on a single page layout. So the green background paper here is from Bella Boulevard Bella Besties, the free hand graph dot in guacamole, and then the heart is another Bella Boulevard Bella Besties Hearts and Ombre in the ice colorway, so the more blue colorway. And this is M number 3 and 4, or M numbers 3 and 4, as we call my grandchildren. Not to them, but that's shorthand for my daughter-in-law and I. And you'll hear me refer to them often, as you know, if you follow me. And now I get to change my tape here. But anyway, they went out on a little adventure with Mom to a park nearby that they all nearby them that they all love and have been to many times. But that just gives them an opportunity to take some time together. And my daughter-in-law and stepson are so good about actually taking the kids out individually, or just a 1 or 2 or maybe 2 at a time, just to get to spend some more like one-on-one, or time where they have time to be with them just more individually, which is really nice, especially when you have that many kids. I love that they do that with them. All right, so I have that huge gap over on the right side that I just tapped, which meant I need to do something there. And I have this sticker sheet from Echo Park Hello Summer, the Element sticker sheet from 2012. And I'm going to use this tree to kind of take up some of that space. And on that sticker sheet, there's also this little phrase sticker that says life is good in the summer, because this is summer. And I'm playing with that. I want that to appear on there somewhere, but I haven't decided where yet. Then they have these clouds, and oh my gosh, they're so cute. So I decided, why not get these on there? That'll help kind of bring the background paper and the embellishment and then the paper mat all together, because I overlap the clouds with the tree and the photos and the 2 different papers. So that's kind of a really nice way to make everything sort of joined together. On that left hand side, I did put that tab up that said, remember this. This is a case, not to spoil too much, but it's a case where I'm not going to really put a title on in a way that you would see the title. So I'll show you that in just a minute. There's the sheet. And I'm just kind of playing around with different elements and seeing what can I get on here. Are there any birds on here that you can see? Nope, but they certainly were on the hike. So that's going to qualify. So I'm just adding, the little birds here and there where I can. Kind of nice that they had some facing left and some facing right. I like this little branch because it brings in the tree from the other side, and just, something fun. I love all these colors together. It's bringing the blue and the green in the embellishment, and then that little pop of pink that I'm using in the birds and the tab. There's that life is good phrase sticker again. So it says life is good in the summer. I'm going to use that as my title. The title is summer for this layout. Sometimes you don't have to have any, you don't have to have them. And really, it doesn't matter to the people I'm scrapbooking for. I do often like to have them. For one thing, it helps me keep them straight when I'm doing videos and that kind of stuff. But it's kind of a nice little thing to do. Or as I publish them, because I do publish to Flickr. You can find me on Flickr and Kelly O. Black, and I do publish all my layouts there eventually. I'm way behind in getting them up right now, but I also do Cherry on Top and Scrapbook.com as well. All right, so I'm going to need somewhere to journal. I could journal in that cloud on the top because that's graph paper, but I decided to get in some more of that kind of pinky red color, and I used those LE Studio label stickers to do that because it works really well with the pink of the bird there. I like that little butterfly sticker, added in the pink one, and then I realized I don't really have orange on here other than in the S from summer, and decided to pull that butterfly off. Trying to get this flower in. The butterfly just doesn't look, I'm having a hard time getting it on there because I think it's because the color is a contrasting color. There we go. Now I pulled it off. So now I have, like 5 spots of that pink color. So still trying to add something over there and it's not working. I have 5 spots of that pink color. So now that little color pop, otherwise this layout would have been virtually just green and blue. But I like that little color pop. And the kids are wearing, like my granddaughter has a pinky red short on, and the backpack that my grandson is wearing there has a bit of a red pop as well. So it kind of works in with the pops in the photos to bring that little pop into the embellishment as well. Which is kind of where I got the idea. I think I needed it and it just worked. I mean, sometimes I'm not even aware of what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. But I'm like, oh, this is really flat. Need some more color there. Did the birds in the trees and I had extra pink birds. So, all right. Now, to add a little dimension, because everything is very flat right now, I'm going to add these enamel dots. This is the Altenew enamel dots in the Tropical Forest colorway, or one of the colors from the Tropical Forest collection. That's a nice bright green that works really well with everything. And I'm loving the fact that I'm getting to use up these old stickers on some of these summer layouts that I'm working on right now. I've had the collection since that sheet since sometime around 2012, so it's time to get them used up. And I keep all my summer stuff in an envelope, or a couple different envelopes by collection. All right, there's the layout and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.